Hi, this is Vienna. Today I'm here with Gerald
at Vantage Med Center.
Yes. So we're gonna take on a tour on this beautiful property today.
Yes, go this way. Here we have our concierge that's always smiling. They're here from 7 to 11, Monday through Thursday, and 24 hours Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Right. I'll pan this way. We have our mail room, and we also do have the parcel pending system, which is where your packages will go, like your Amazon and all your other packages will go, and then you'll get a notification on your phone.
Oh, nice.
All right, we're gonna go up. Also do have a dog park and pet wash station that you can use.
So really pet friendly.
Yes.
Nice.
And to get on the elevator, you'll scan your fob, and then you'll be able to click your floor. So it just goes directly to your floor. So very secure.
How long or how old is this building, Gerald?
Built in 2017.
2017.
Mm-hmm.
How many units we have in here?
375. So good amount of units, fairly new building. The cleaners come basically almost 7 days a week. So
wow.
Yeah, they only don't come one day. All right, I'm gonna show y'all the A5, which is our 1-bedroom.
So do you have laundry service here as well?
Yes, we do have the laundry service, and they'll come pick up from downstairs with the concierge.
Nice.
And all of the hallways are gonna have this mood lighting, so it'll be just accent lighting.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
Put people into the sleeping mode.
Yes. All right.
And can you tell us about the parking as well?
Yes. So the parking is on floors 2 through 5.
Okay.
And then your guests can park on floor 6.
Okay.
Okay. And this unit is the A5. This is the unit we have mostly. We're gonna have gas stoves, stainless steel appliances for this one, and then the stoves also, not stoves, the refrigerator also does have an ice and water maker.
I'm just checking to see if soft close.
Oh yeah. And then you're gonna get a dishwasher.
Okay. And you say the washer and dryer included with the unit?
Yes, washer and dryer for this one. It's gonna be the stacked washer and dryer.
Very nice.
And those are full size.
Okay.
All right, I'll take you up in here. I have the queen size bed.
So it fit the queen size?
Yes.
Or if they're wanting a king size?
King size. It'll fit, but it'll be a little tight. It'll definitely be tight because king is gonna probably come out at least to there.
Okay.
So they'll definitely be tighter than the queen.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Gonna walk straight through the closet.
Wow. So you're going to a closet first before into the bathroom.
Yes.
Very cool.
And then in here, you're gonna get double sinks. And then you're also gonna have a garden size tub. So if you wanna go soak in your tub, and soak.
And so.
Yeah. Okay.
Does the resident get any discount as far as like go to a restaurant and stuff like that here? You know, some apartment will offer like.
No. We don't have any restaurant discounts.
Okay. So tell us about the view that we have.
Yeah, so this one is going to be facing more NRG.
Okay.
The A5 floor plan does also face Med Center, and it's going to be on the other side of the hallway. But this one's just mostly going to be NRG view.
Okay.
And you are able to, here is where you would put your TV.
Okay.
You are behind this, it already has like the plugs and everything for you to mount your TV on the wall.
So what kind of restaurants, shop do we have around here as far as the distance goes?
So most things are going to be off of Main Street, which is probably about 3 miles away from here.
Okay.
The nearest grocery store is a mile away. So you'll be able to go just right there to the right, you'll be at HEB.
Oh, so
so everything is super, super close.
Very nice.
Yep.
So again, here guys, we're here at the Vantage
Vantage Med Center.
Yes.
Mhm.
We just look at the 1 bedroom and 1 bath.
A5.
A5. I'm here with Gerald, who is the leasing consulting here, and we're here to help. So if you have any questions, any other units, or any place that you want to check out, please do give me a call here, and I will.
Yes, connect with me, and
Yes.
then we'll tour you.
Yes.
And then you can move in.
Yes. Have a good day.